Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the basics. Make sure both iPhone and Mac are signed into the same Apple ID and have passcodes ready. Once confirmed, open Settings on iPhone and System Settings on Mac. This keeps you in the right places to unlink. Make a quick local or iCloud backup so you can restore contacts or messages if needed. This prevents accidental data loss. Start with the device list. This is the control point for unlinking and disabling sync. Next, you disable the services that create the link. On the iPhone, go to iCloud settings and toggle off messages, photos, or other apps you no longer want synced. That stops new data from flowing. On the Mac, open Apple ID iCloud settings and uncheck matching items, and use options to remove stored data if prompted. Then turn off handoff on both devices so handoff continuity stops. This severs app handoffs, phone calls, and clipboard sharing while keeping other settings intact. Finally, remove the iPhone from the Apple ID device list on the Mac. Find devices in Apple ID settings and choose Remove. This severs trust and stops Find My from linking. If you want full isolation, sign out of iCloud on the iPhone, then reboot both devices to clear caches. Make sure to check iCloud. To confirm the device is gone. If unlinking fails, change your Apple ID password and recheck the device list. This revokes old tokens and resolves most stubborn links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.